Do you have a flickering lamp in your tanning bed? Before replacing it, try this quick tip and see if it helps out. These are bipin lamps. That means there's 2 pins on either end of the lamp. So this tip only applies to these, not RDC style lamps. So just take your set of wire crimpers like this and crimp the pins on the end. Both of these pins here, just recrimp them, and then do it on the other end too. Crimp it, and then crimp the other one. And that's it. This doesn't always help, but a lot of times it can help. What you got is these 2 pins go to a filament that's inside here at both ends, and it illuminates and glows and gets the lamp started and running. In the end of the pins, a lot of times it's a hollow little tube, and the wire for that filament is running through there. So all it takes is a loose wire in here at the ends of the pins, and then your lamp will flicker. So like I said, crimp it like that. If it fixes the problem, great. If not, then you might want to look at other solutions. But again, that was just a quick video to see if I can help you out with the flickering lamps. Thanks for watching. I hope it's been helpful. If it was, please like, comment, and subscribe. And be sure to hit the bell for notifications. Thanks and happy tanning.